Hey there, we're gonna do another science experiment. We checked out this book, Sandbox Scientist, from the library, and we're going to do our version of the tornado that's in here. So what you'll need is a couple of bottles, water bottles, doesn't matter what size they are. Put a little bit of water in one of them. Then you need some tape to tape them together. And we're gonna make our tornado interesting and put, what color is this?
Pink.
Pink glitter and sequins in it to watch it swirl around. And we got a funnel to put our glitter in there. So we filled up our bottle with some water. And now we gotta put some glitter in there.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Gotta open the glitter first.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright. Pour some glitter in there. Here, turn your hand around. There you go. Alright. Look at that glitter.
I see.
Yeah.
Now put some sequins in.
Yeah, we'll put some sequins in.
Yeah, and some stars.
Go ahead and just drop them in the cup. There you go.
I can get my own. So
We're gonna watch them swirl around. I don't know about anybody else, but Natalie likes to watch the water go down this tub in the bathtub when it's over. Watch the tornado. Okay, a few more and then we should be good to go. There you go.
thanks.
All right.
Now let's watch
Now you gotta take the one that's empty and put it on top of here. Here's the tricky part to make sure that the water doesn't go all over the place. Gotta get it taped nice and good. The book also suggests food coloring, glitter, anything to make the water more interesting to see it go down the tube. We're gonna do a little bit more just in case. Okay, can you squeeze this?
Yeah. Who are you talking to?
The video. Alright, ready? So we're gonna swirl it up, mix it all in. Yeah. Okay, ready? So we're gonna turn it around, spin it, and there it is! Tornado! Did you see it? Right there. We got a super sparkly glitter tornado. Whoa! Ta-da!
I'm gonna do it more so it can